This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Katie Burke. Beautiful tri-level 2-year-old condo with open floor plan and upgrades galore. This home is stunning and has a fenced-in area for you to enjoy with wooded views from the second level. Huge primary suite with nice upgrade primary bath, large bedrooms and tons of space for your family to grow. Second floor has huge kitchen island, with open floor plan and breakfast area. This level also has a half bath for you. Come check out the townhome ASAP. For more information, review the details below or contact Katie Burke at 757-403-0911.